I would probably go into short-term renting of items. The one that I really wanted to explain, and I saw recently, was financing a trailer. In Canada, they offer 10 to 15 years of financing on them. In the States, they go up to 25 years. So you can get a $50,000 trailer that has bedroom space for 8 for $500 a month. And then there's a ton of platforms online like Arvezi, Outdoorsy, Going RVing. There's all these different apps now.
Interesting.
It's no big deal to ask $250, $300 a night on a weekend. $350 weekdays, $200. You would be surprised how many people will book them for a week. I looked one up right now with 8% interest, the current financing, no down payment. We're assuming it rented for $250 a day, and we got 50% occupancy throughout the year. That brings in $42,000 a year. Okay, your payments costs about $6,500, $7,000 with tax. Let's say maintenance is another $3,000 in cleaning and little supplies. Even say $8,000. So you spend $15K to own the thing. You brought in $42,000. You just made $27,000 on one trailer. And so you get 5 or 6 of these, you're going to be making an extra couple $100,000 a year. Right off the hop, a business like that's probably worth about 3 to 4x multiple. So if you do this with 5 trailers, you make $200,000 profit in a year. You are already now at a multiple of around $600,000 to $800,000 of value in your business. You're almost a millionaire within 1 year of doing this.
Yeah, that's a good point.